Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage who can reply on your posts on Instagram feeds, easy and quick. First, all you have to do is just open Instagram feeds and then click this icon here. Now just type anything you want and then click here, your followers can reply. Now just select who can reply on your post, profiles you follow or mentioned only, or all of your followers, and then just click post, and that's it. And now only people you follow can reply on this post and you can manage it. After that, just click who can reply, and that's it. Only profiles you follow can reply on this post, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.